Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to link pages in Notion. Now, if you look on the left hand side here, I have a bunch of different pages and I'm going to show you how to basically link one page to the next, right? So let's take, for example, this simple medical planner here. And also there's this medical spreadsheet. There's medical school spreadsheet, right? So let's take that. And let's say I want to link one page to the next. So I'm going to take this page here and let's find the section where we want to add the link. So that's what you want to do. Find the page that you want to add the link in and you want to basically do as I showed you. So type /, then type the word link and you will see where it shows up link to page. Hover over that or basically click on that and it's going to show you all those other pages that you want to link or what you can link from. Now scroll down because it's going to show the most recent ones at the bottom. And let's say I would like to link, for example, the spreadsheet as I mentioned before. I will click on it. And as you can see, it is no link. So now that I have the page there, if I'm on, for example, this medical student planner and I want to go to the spreadsheet, I can hover over it and it's going to show me as well. And I can click on it and now it's going to take me into that page. And that's it. So if you come up with your own design, your own structure, and you want to link pages to different pages, that's how you can easily do it in Notion. Hope you found this useful. Give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question. And thank you guys for watching. And guess what? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.